Hello everybody and welcome to this personal branding master course. I am super excited to see you here, that you've made it this far. It means a lot to me. It means a lot because this course took me so long to create. Believe it or not, but I've been working on this course for almost a year. So yeah, it's a big deal to see you here about to start lecture 1. And I am aware that at this stage you might not have purchased the course yet because I've left the 3 first lectures open, free to preview. And that is because I don't want you to buy this course for the wrong reasons, like a pretty thumbnail or a catchy title. Now, don't get me wrong, I do want you to buy this course, but I want you to buy it because you genuinely believe it will help you. So let me tell you how this course will help you. Let me tell you my promise to you if you buy the course. Let me start like this. Why are you here? I mean, why did you click on this particular course? Why do you want to build a personal brand? Chances are it's because you're not so happy right now about where you are in your professional life. You might still have a regular 9-to-5 job, or you might have dropped it to try your luck as a freelancer. But I believe you are here because you have decided to start a journey, an entrepreneurial journey, the journey of becoming your own boss. And that is because you're tired of not doing what you love. You're tired of doing it for the money, of spending your limited time on this planet doing things all day that you wouldn't do if money was not an issue. You're tired of not being in control, of working for somebody else, developing that somebody else's business so that he or she can get richer. Trust me, I get it. You want things to change, and that's why you're here. You are here because you're ready to start that journey. The journey of starting your own business. You are ready to work for yourself. Or, as I like to call it, you are ready for the business of you. First of all, let me take a second to congratulate you, because this is one of the hardest, but also one of the best decisions you will ever make. You have decided to change your life for the better. You've decided to go after the things you're passionate about. You've decided to create a job that you will love, to reclaim your time and live life on your own terms. Now, this, my friend, is a ballsy move. A move that I'm proud of you for making. Because society is pretty much telling you to do the opposite ever since you set foot in the classroom. So again, congratulations. Congratulations for daring to go down a different path, for daring to embark on a different journey. Now, why am I here and why should you buy this course? I am here because every important journey needs a map, right? Well, this course is the map. As a matter of fact, this course is the roadmap I wish somebody had given me when I started my entrepreneurial journey about 10 years ago. So my promise to you is this. If living life on your own terms and making money while doing a job you are passionate about is the destination you are shooting for, if that's the reason why you started this journey, then this course, my roadmap, is gonna get you there faster. The course breaks down the major steps you'll have to take to build a powerful personal brand, one that will boost both your visibility and reputation. If you follow the steps and execute on them, you will become the go-to expert in your specific field. This will propel your business to new heights and open up a ton of new career opportunities, just like it did for me. There is one prerequisite to this course though, and this is something I cannot teach you. Before thinking about building your personal brand, you will have to become very good at something. Indeed, before starting your journey to become the go-to expert, you'll have to answer a very important question. Expert in what? What do you want to offer to the world? What are you great at? We will touch on that topic in section 2 of the course, Know Yourself, but I would say it would be much better if you already had some clarity on that before you start the course. That's why I'm calling this a prerequisite. And I'd like to finish this lecture with 2 important notes. The first one is that execution is key. While creating this course, I've walked the talk. I've applied every single piece of advice I'll give you in this course to my business. And if you want this course to have an impact on your business, I strongly recommend you do the same. Do not just consume this course passively. Walk the talk, follow the roadmap I'm going to deliver, and apply the concept and strategies to your business. So that's the first note. Execution is key. All of this won't work if you don't execute on what I'm teaching you. Then the second note is this: patience will be required. Becoming the go-to expert about a specific topic doesn't happen overnight. This course is going to give you a roadmap to creating that personal brand, but it's not going to miraculously turn you into an expert. It took me 1.5 years to reach financial freedom and to be exactly where I wanted to be. But before that, I struggled for about 10 years. So I just want you to know that it takes time. But if you are consistent, eventually you will get there. Remember, when you look at the mountain from the valley down below, the summit always seems impossible to reach. But if you focus on climbing the mountain and also enjoying climbing the mountain, you will soon find yourself looking down at the valley you left behind thinking, wow, I've come a long way. Trust me, the business of you is a journey well worth taking.